What a day, not only for AMC, for the broader market. I mean, looking at the Dow Jones, the major indexes, the Nasdaq, the S&P, even the Russell, guys, it's incredible. I mean, not that incredible. It's kind of, it was a little bit scary. But the fact that AMC had, I mean, when you look at the price action, it was kind of good, and it may be an indicator of a strong momentum, because at the point the Dow Jones today was down at the lowest almost 1,000 points. Guys, this is big. This is big, because so far we've been in this whole recovery play, and then suddenly we have the Delta variant of COVID coming in again. I mean, I just think this is BS, but who am I? Just a random guy on YouTube making videos, all right? So by looking at AMC at the lowest today, of 31 and 24 cents, when you look at where we were, kind of red at the point today at the highest, man, this is almost a 13% high. I mean, 13% gain on the day, which if the suits and the retail investors bought the dip, I mean, this is a strong momentum that it may indicate, okay? But I want to actually share with you something really interesting to see on one of the analysts I've been mentioning multiple times in my videos in the past weeks, in the name of Peter Han. If you don't know who he is, he's an investment portfolio manager at the city of Calgary in Canada. But he also had some major roles in trading in major banks across North America. So he posted today, actually yesterday, and this is the main highlights of what he posted. So I was thinking a typical hedge fund has about what? 50 to 100 people. Takeaway support lives with a few dozens vice presidents, associates, and analysts. They can be everywhere. Only so much time in a day, even if they aren't burnout like bulge brackets French at JP or Goldman. There are about 5 million AMC shareholders, and thus in other meme holders. So by looking at what we've been discovering so far, okay, it's been widely rumored for months that there was an off-market set of books showing AMC had a vastly different price than that reported on the lead exchanges, meaning the market, the New York Stock Exchange. Fantasyland, many will shout, because you think this is a theory pulled out of thin air, okay? But the same people telling me to get mental health, trolling. However, just so happens that the FINRA's alternative display facility, it's supposed to be a trading reporting only system. However, an amendment SR 2016-031 came out with section 601 away from the market sales, and it states that trades can be put into this trade reporting system, alternative display facility, if they meet the exception that the transactions occur without reference to current market pricing. So say if two hedge funds wanted to trade, where one wanted to buy AMC share and the seller wanted 6,000 of an ETFs, well, that will meet the actual criteria. So the collective brain power of the retail sector is scary, and they are owners and so are motivated. So guys, what does it tell us? Well, there's been theory around the real price of AMC on the dark pool or the secondary books being way off than the actual share price of 38, 34 that we see on our apps, on our regular brokerage, which, we all know it's because of the whole orders being rerouted. So it does make sense. But the actual fact that a professional, is coming out, even if it's on LinkedIn, but it's actually kind of corroborating this theory, gives me more confidence into it's actually true. I mean, I already thought that it was true, because, with orders being rerouted, it would just make sense, okay? It would just make sense that there is a secondary order book where those orders which are not going to the exchange are kind of parked away. And as a matter of fact, people still buying the dip, buying week in and week out. It will make sense. It will make sense, because when you look at the math, you look at the numbers, look at the data with all the floats and the synthetic shares, the naked shorts, it just doesn't make sense that this thing is not trading at least triple digits at this point of time. So again, guys, another confirmation bias. If you jump into Reddit, you will see it here. Another post from Peter Han, okay? I'm keeping an open mind about it, guys. Most of YouTubers won't discuss this possibility. We all know that, except me. The current whisper number of the off exchange is around 5,000, but most people, they stick to the reality they can see. And the price is way what the current exchange is actually traded at. 38 for last Friday, 34 for today. But he's continuing by saying, truth is, given the scale of the synthetics, I'm surprised the whisper number isn't 10,000 already. There you go, guys. If you were still doubting what AMC can potentially be trading at, there you have it. I mean, just don't take this for my worth, okay? I'm not the one posting it. And this is the single time I'm saying this, guys. AMC, with all the buying pressure and the manipulation on this, I won't be surprised if this is actually trading at 10,000 a share. I was thinking maybe 4,000, 5,000, but hey, with all the synthetics that we have no idea about, makes sense, right?